Got him now. It's the calzone with everything we can find on it. This is like shit. Oh! It tastes like vinegar.
All you can taste is fucking vinegar.
There's a big fucking gulp as well of it.
Fucking hell.
Be sick. Be sick for the
I'm
camera.
not going to be safe.
For the camera. I've never bite then.
That's not going to anymore. Danny, alright, just leave it on. You have a bite of it.
No.
Go on, Danny.
No.
Do it.
After that response.
Fucking do it.
I want a bit of this meat. Oh, vinegar it.
Have a bite of it. Go for it.
Oh.
Fuck off.
I think you were playing up for a camera.
No. You're actually enjoying that?
Quite delicious.
No.
Not bad. Might ask it next time I order.
Dude, I didn't get. You get.
I ate it and was like this. I've never bite.
I'm not having another bite of it.
I've never fucking bite. Good.
I'm not having